Assalamualaikum. My name is Umi Amira. In this video, I would like to present the progress of my PSM1, which is Justshop mobile application. So during this pandemic, an online business platform have become increasingly demanding. There is actually an increasing number of people who become personal shopper in Malaysia. So Justshop is the existing mobile apps that provide a platform for personal shopper and their customer. However, there are some lags with the existing apps. The first one is it is not compatible with iOS platform. This is because the mobile apps is developed specifically for Android. The second problem is there is no feature available to manage order and sales report for personal shopper. The third problem is the notification in the apps is not organized and managed well. From this problem statement, we can identify the objective of this project. The first one is to increase the level of accessibility. This is because we will develop another version of Justshop which is compatible for iOS. The second objective is to enhance the current mobile app by adding a feature to manage order and sales report. The third objective is to improve the existing push notification features. Next is the hierarchy chart. There are two types of user, which is personal shopper and customer, and these are the modules that involved in these apps. Those modules in bold, which is manage report and manage notification, these are the modules that is not available in the current mobile apps. Next is the methodology. OOAD approach is used in this development. This is because it fits with our applied methodology, which is agile. It is also suitable for large project, and OOAD is also easy to maintain. Next, let's see the software and language used in this project. The first one is Xcode. This is the IDE that we use to create the iOS app. Firebase is the database for this app. App Store Connect is the platform to upload the apps to the market. TestFlight is the platform to distribute the application for beta testing. For the software, we use Swift and JSON. This is the ERD for this application. Overall, we have 22 individual tables involved in this project. Without wasting any time, let's go ahead and see the demonstration of the apps. This is the login screen for the Justshop mobile app. For the new user, they can create new account by register. For those who forgot their password, they can simply reset. For now, I'm going to sign in with Google account. Okay, let's choose an account. Alright, so these are the dashboard for the application. We have three types of shop, which is live, schedule, and ready. Live shop is for a personal shopper who already at the store, so they can create a live shop and customer can simply join the live and see the items that are available in the store. Alright, so schedule shop is a little bit different from live shop. It is for personal shopper who wants to shop at a specific date. So when they create schedule shop, their followers will aware about their shopping activities schedule. I will show you the detailed flow of live shop and schedule shop after this. For that, let's see the third category of shop, which is ready shop. Alright, for ready shop, it is similar like existing e-commerce platform. So seller can simply upload their product and customer can see the details of the product, the quantity, the images, the description, and then they can add to cart and then they can proceed to check out, and lastly make the payment to complete the purchase. Okay, so let's see the shopper tab. Here it will display a Google map for the current location of user, and then it will detect all personal shopper that is available in 10-kilometer radius around them. The customer can look at the shopper profile. They can see the rating, followers of the shopper, and also the customer can chat with the shopper. Alright, next let's see the Me tab. As you can see here, this is the view for user who is not registered yet as a personal shopper. Alright, so how to become a personal shopper in this application? There are three simple steps. The first one is to take a photo of your My Card. The second one is to take a selfie, and the third one is to provide the information of the shopper. and then the user needs to wait the verification process by Justshop administrator. When the user has already registered as personal shopper, the view of selling will become like this. Let's go ahead to the crucial part, which is my shop. Here we have the 3 category of shop that I mentioned earlier, which is live, schedule and ready. Right, at the ready shop we have 3 types of status, which is active, sold out and archive. Okay, we also can add new product, we also can edit the existing product, and lastly we can delete the selected product from the list. Now let's see how schedule shop works. First, let's create a schedule shop. For example, here I will go to Starbucks, Tesco Bandaraya Melaka on 21st June, and then I will provide the description. Right here for the shop product, it is optional. The shopper can upload a pre-listing product. Pre-listing product here means a product that have offers or have a promo in the store. So when the shopper knows the list of product, they can simply upload the item in the shop so that their followers know what is the item that have promo and offer. In this case, I will just add a few drinks that is mostly purchased by customer. Alright, now I already add 4 product for the pre-listing. Let's go ahead and click save. And once this schedule shop is created, it will announce my schedule activities to my followers. In schedule shop, customer can request a product if the product is not listed by the personal shopper. Right, now let's see how the customer can request a product in a schedule shop. Okay, so this is the dashboard for the customer. We can see the schedule shop that we created just now by Umi Amira. Right, simply click the request button at the bottom of the screen, and then we need to specify the product name, description, as well as the product image. Once the information is complete, we can click on save to submit the request to the shopper. Right, as you can see here, a pop-up appear to inform the customer that the request has been submitted. Alright, now let's go back to the shopper view on how it will process the request product by customer. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the requested product that we create just now. Click on it to see the request details. You can see the image, the description, the customer details. You can also chat with customer if you have any concern about it. Right, now let's go ahead and accept the request. To be able to accept the request, the shopper needs to specify the product price and the delivery method. Alright, so now let's see how the customer proceed with the payment. Alright, first go to the Me tab, click on My Request. It will display the list of requests by the customer. Click on it and it will display the request detail. Here you can see that the request status, which is accepted, following by the confirm price by shopper. Next, click on place order, buy now. This is the checkout page. Select the delivery method. If everything is okay, click on pay now and enter your Justpay PIN. Okay, the payment is successful. Alright, next step is to wait for the schedule date. Let's fast forward to the schedule date, which is 21st June. Now I'm heading to Starbucks. I will purchase the items for my schedule shop. Arrive at Starbucks. We will proceed order my pending request. Green tea cream frap tambah caramel upside down tambah frap chip.
Green tea cream frap tambah upside down caramel dengan frap chip sebagi 6 scoop okey ke?
Dia ada Starbucks kan? Now I will demonstrate on the live shop. So let's go to the Aeon Bandaraya Melaka and start live shop at Watson. Okay, so now we arrive at Aeon Melaka. We are going to create a new live shop. Okay, done. So we are now live. Let's go. Alright, so that's all for the demonstration of Justshop mobile apps. For further details, you can download the apps from Play Store to see how the app works. Thank you for watching.